Hello students, today we will start exercise 4.2. Come on, first question. Our first question is round off the digit nearer to 10 and multiply it. 3, 5, 8, 2. First question is multiply by 27. Now, how we have to round off the digit? See here, it is 3, 5, 8. See the last digit. Last digit is 2. If the last digit is less than 5, then just make it as 0. Or if the last two digit is 82, means 82 is nearer to 80, not 90. Nearer to 10 का मीनिंग क्या है? या तो इस लास्ट टू डिजिट को 80 लिखेंगे या फिर 90 लिखेंगे. So if the last digit is 5 or greater than, then we will move on the increasing the next digit. And if it is less than 5, then we will come on the before digit. So it will become 3580. Next 27. It is greater than 5. So 27 is nearer to 30. Now multiply both the digits. 3580 multiply by 30. 358 multiply by 3. 3 8s are 24. 4 carry 2, 3 5 is 15, 15 plus 2 17, 7 carry 1, 3 3 is 9 plus 1 10. So it will become 1074 and put these two 0 directly in the answer. So it is our answer. B. 6517 multiply by 141. So 6517, it is nearer to 17. 17 is nearer to 20. So it will become 6520 and 141 is nearer to 140. 141. 1 is less than 5, so it will become 140. Now multiply both the digits. 6520 multiply by 140. Just multiply 652 and 14. 652 and 14. 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 22, carry 4 5s are 20, 20 0, carry 2, 4 6 are 24, 24 plus 2, 26. Multiply 1 into 2, 2, 1 into 5, 5, 1 into 6, 6. Then 8, 0 plus 2, 2, 6 plus 5, 11, 1, carry 1, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9. So its answer is 9128 and put the 20 in the answer. So it is our answer. Now next, that is C. 5297 multiply by 1031. Then 5297 is nearer to. See, last digit is 7, means more than 5, so we have to make it as next digit. So 97 will goes to next digit means 100. So 297 will become 300. So it will become 5300 and 1031. Last digit is 1, means it is less than 5. So it just will become 0. So it will become 1030. Then multiply 5300 into 1030. And what we have to multiply? We have to multiply 103 and 53. We will put these 30 directly in the answer. So multiply here, multiply here. 53 and 103. 53 multiplied by 103. 103 multiplied by 53. कैसे भी लिखिए ऊपर या नीचे आंसर remains same. 3 3s are 9. 3 zeros are 0, 3 1s are 3. 5 3s are 15, 15 to 5 carry 1. 5 zeros are 0 plus 1, that is 1. 5 1s are 5. 9, 5 plus 0, 5, 3 plus 1, 4 and 5. So it will become 5 4 5 9 and we have to put the 1 2 and 3 zeros. 1 2 3 zeros. So it is our answer. So first question is clear to everyone. Then come on second question. What is the second question? Second question is word problem. In word problem also just we have to multiply. Yes. Second question. There are 48 chocolates in a box. How many chocolates will be there in 8 to 65 such boxes? Means what we have to do? We have given one box contain chocolate is equal to. In one box there are how many chocolates are given? In one box we have given 48 chocolates. And we have given find the number of chocolate in 8 to 65 boxes. So total number of boxes given is equal to 8 to 65. Then 8 to 65 box contain chocolate is equal to what? We have to multiply both these numbers. 8 to 65 multiplied by 40. क्या किया है? मीनिंग समझ में आ रहा है? एक बॉक्स में आपके 48 चॉकलेट्स हैं, तो इतने बॉक्सेस में 8265 बॉक्सेस में कितने चॉकलेट्स होंगे? मींस अगर एक बॉक्स में 48 है तो 2 बॉक्स के लिए क्या करेंगे? 48 प्लस 48, 3 बॉक्स के लिए उस 48 को 3 टाइम प्लस करेंगे। तो 8265 बॉक्सेस के लिए क्या करेंगे? 48 को या तो इतना टाइम प्लस करेंगे, अदरवाइज उसका सिंपल मेथड ये होता है कि प्लस करने की बजाय इन दोनों को डायरेक्टली मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे अपन। सो वी आर डूइंग हियर मल्टीप्लिकेशन। 8 5 is 40, 0 carry 4, 8 6 is 48, 48 plus 4 52, 2 carry 5, 8 2 is 16, 16 plus 5 21, 21 का 1 carry 2, 8 8 is 64, 64 plus 2 it is 66. Then 4 5 is 20, 20 का 0 carry 2, 4 6 is 24, 24 plus 2 26, 26 का 6 carry 2, 4 2 is 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 का 0 carry 1, 4 8 is 32, 32 plus 1 33, 0 2 6 plus 1 7, 6 6 plus 3 9 and it is 3. So it is 396720. So our answer is 396720. It is our answer. This much chocolate contain this much boxes. Then come on next, that is B. A factory manufactures 275 t-shirt in a day. In one day, t-shirt manufacturer is equal to 275. मीन्स एक फैक्ट्री में एक दिन में 275 टी-शर्ट बनता है। So how many t-shirt manufacturer factor in 365 days? So total days दिए हुए हैं अपने को 365 days में कितनी टी-शर्ट बनेगी? So in 365 days t-shirt manufacturer is equal to सेम वन डे में अगर इतना टी-शर्ट बनेगा तो 365 डेज में कितना टी-शर्ट बनेगा? इन दोनों का जस्ट वी हैव टू डू मल्टीप्लाई। सो 365 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 275 मल्टीप्लाई 5 5 is 25, 5 carry 2, 5 6 is 30, 30 plus 2 is 32, 32 का 2 carry 3, 5 3 is 15, 15 plus 3 18, 7 5 is 35, 35 का 5 carry 3, 7 6 is 42, 42 plus 3 45, 45 का 5 carry 5, 7 3 is 21, 21 plus 4 it is 25, 2 2 5 are 10, 10 का 0 carry 1, 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 1 13, 13 का 3 carry 1, 2 3 are 6, 6 plus 1 7. Then 5 5 plus 2 7, 8 plus 5 13, 13 का 3 carry 1, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 1 1 and 1 carry 10, 0 carry 1, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 1 10. So answer is 100375. 100375. So this much t-shirt can be manufactured in 365 days. Next, come on next question, that is C. In C, what will be the cost of 25 laptop if one laptop costs 3540? Cost of one laptop is equal to 35540 rupees. Means we have given one laptop cost 35,540 rupees and total number of laptop is given. Total number of laptop is equal to 25. We have to find the total cost of 25 laptops. So total cost of 25 laptop is equal to, क्या करना है, जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई दिस टू डिजिट. वन लैपटॉप का इतना है तो 25 लैपटॉप का कितना होगा, दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 35540 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 25, 500, 5 4 the 20, 0 carry 2, 5 5 the 25, 25 plus 2 27, 7 carry 2, 5 5 the 25, 25 plus 2 27, 7 again carry 2, 5 3 the 15, 15 plus 2 7. Then 2 0 0, 2 4 the 8, 2 5 the 10, 10 का 0 carry 1, 2 5 the 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 का 1 carry 1, 2 3 the 6 plus 1 7, 0 0, 7 plus 8 15, 15 का 5 carry 1, 7 plus 1 8, 7 plus 1 8, 7 plus 1 8. So it is 888500. This much rupees is the answer.